How to fix ChatGPT error downloading file easy guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT file download errors. Whether the download button isn't responding, the file link is broken, or you're getting an error message, I have quick fixes that work. ChatGPT creates temporary download links that expire after a few hours. This is intentional for privacy and storage efficiency. If you wait too long to download a file, the link dies. This is the #1 cause of download failures. This is the golden rule. As soon as ChatGPT generates your file, download it. Don't wait, don't refresh, don't come back later. Click download right away. If you waited too long, regenerate the file. Go back to the chat where it was created. Ask ChatGPT, please generate that file again. Click download immediately. Press F5 or Ctrl+R on Windows. Press Command+R on Mac. This forces your browser to reconnect to OpenAI servers. Many download glitches are temporary and a refresh fixes them in seconds. Ad blockers and privacy tools block download links. Click your extension menu, temporarily disable all extensions, reload ChatGPT, try downloading. If it works, re-enable extensions one by one to identify the culprit. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, click Clear Browsing Data, select cookies and cached images and files. Click Clear, close the browser completely, reopen ChatGPT and try again. If Chrome fails, try Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Sometimes one browser has issues while others work fine. Different browsers handle file links differently. An unstable connection interrupts downloads. If your Wi-Fi drops for even half a second, the download fails. Switch to a wired connection or move closer to your router. Test your speed at speedest net. If speed is below 5 Mbps, your internet is too slow. VPNs route your traffic through remote servers. If that server is blacklisted by OpenAI's security filters, the download blocks. Disconnect your VPN and try again. The ChatGPT mobile app has limited file download support. If you're on a phone or tablet, open ChatGPT on a computer. Desktop browsers have better stability and more options. Open an incognito or private browsing window. Go to chat.com, log in. Try downloading. Incognito mode doesn't use cached data or extensions, so it often bypasses mysterious issues. If PDF won't download, ask ChatGPT to provide the content in plain text. You can then copy it directly and paste it into your own document. Ask, can you output this as plain text instead? This is a guaranteed workaround. Your device needs free space to download files. Go to your device settings. Check available storage. Delete old files if you're running low on space. If you're using a custom GPT and files won't download, Code Interpreter might be disabled. In that custom GPT settings, scroll to Code Interpreter. Enable it, save the GPT, try downloading again, visit status OpenAI.com. If you see red indicators, OpenAI is experiencing outages. Wait for service recovery, there's nothing you can do on your end. Copy your original prompt. Ask ChatGPT to regenerate the file with a specific request. Generate the file again and ensure it downloads properly. If all else fails, contact OpenAI support through the Help Center with screenshots and timestamps. Download immediately, never wait. Avoid mobile apps for file downloads, clear cache regularly. Disable VPN, try different browsers before panicking. Summary, download immediately after generation. Refresh the page, disable extensions, clear cache and cookies, try different browser. Check internet connection. Disable VPN, use desktop, try incognito mode, request different format, check storage, enable code interpreter, check service status, regenerate and try again. If this fixed your download issue, please like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.